What's happening, guys? Jet Tila here, and I'm going to teach you how to make chicken pad see ew today, and I'm actually going to give you a Thai language lesson right now. Pad see ew. The word see ew just simply means soy sauce. There's a definite link between the word soy sauce in all three of those cultures, and there's a link between Chinese and Thailand in this dish, and I'm going to show you how those are connected. All right, let's make the sauce. You absolutely want to get yourself some Panda brand mushroom flavored dark soy sauce by Lee Kum Kee. This is that missing link in your sauce pantry, right? Soy sauce is super salty, but not mushroom soy sauce. This is a little sweet, and it gives you that amazing color that dark stir fries need. The link in this dish between China and Thailand is not just the noodles, it's also in the sauces. Next, we're gonna add even more flavor with the Panda brand oyster flavored sauce. This is gonna give the sauce body without adding any cornstarch. And now we're gonna twist it up and add a Thai ingredient, which is fish sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of sugar, and I'm adding white pepper. Black pepper has the skins of the actual pepperberry, the peppercorn, and that's the dark part. Once you peel that off, the pepper becomes white, and it's more floral in my opinion, and it's more delicate, and it blends into sauces better. And let's talk about noodles really quick. These are fresh, wide rice noodles, and you'll find them in Chinese culture and Thai culture. You know they're fresh when they can bend in on themselves like this without cracking. I should tell you about this broccoli. This has been pre-blanched, but I have a secret way to do it really quickly. Take your broccoli florets, put them in a bowl like so, add a little bit of water, maybe a tablespoon or two, cover it tightly with plastic wrap and microwave them for about 1.5 minutes, and you have very quickly blanched broccoli. That was it. This prep is so fast and easy. It's time to get cooking, and I'm about ready to cook. I'm looking at this pan. We're communicating telepathically, actually. It's saying it's hot enough, and I'm gonna test it by adding a little bit of high temperature oil. So first thing that goes into this pan is going to be garlic. And very quickly after that, I want to add my chicken. This is simply very thin sliced chicken breast. And make sure to use the surface area of this pan. Get that chicken spread out so each piece can brown and caramelize, because brown food tastes good. So I'm trying to sear both sides, but still keep the chicken a little moist, because I do have to account for the rest of the ingredients like the noodles and the broccoli. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I've got some eggs here, and I want to scramble them just by quickly running a fork and scrambling them. And there's gonna be a little dance here. I'm gonna get the eggs in like so, cook them until the exterior of the egg is set, but there's still a little bit of wet egg in the middle. And it's because there's this beautiful symbiotic relationship between rice noodles or rice and eggs in a wok. They play together. They play together very, very well. And this is what I mean. Using the egg, watch, to coat the noodles actually creates a natural non-stick surface without having to put a ton of oil in there. When I was running one of the best hotels in the world, I was working with a wok cook who was probably doing it for 50 years. And once he showed me this trick, it was one of those moments where my mind was blown. So check it out, the wok is searing all the ingredients. It's getting the noodles cooked, the chicken cooked. It's just about time to add sauce now. So what I want to do is give this sauce a little stir, and then let's add it right to the pan. And check out that color, that dark, rich, beautiful kind of brown. That is the mushroom flavored dark soy doing its work. So the noodles are coated, the sauce is absorbing in. I'm gonna add the broccoli now. Once the noodles are coated and the broccoli is in, you're probably like 30 seconds to a minute away. So I'm gonna let that just kind of carry over cook, turn that off, and bring my plate to the game. All right, and again, look at that color. You know, I really like using the Lee Kum Kee products because they use a natural fermentation versus the other brands that use chemical fermentation, and that's what gives you that really clean, delicious, savory flavor. Okay, here we go. Let's plate up. And I'm using chicken, obviously, but if you wanted to use shrimp or beef or pork, it just goes in early. You know the technique now, so you can make it any way you want. Oh, nothing like a fresh plate of pad see ew. And I'm not fancy when it comes to garnish, right? Put scallions on anything that comes out of a wok, and I'm super happy. There you go. It's only one way to know if I've done my job. Look at that, noodles are soft. That is the perfect balance between savoriness, saltiness, sweetness. It's all those Thai flavors you absolutely love. Well, there it is, family. Pad See Ew in the comfort of your own home. For this recipe and more, go to lkk.com and I'll pad see you later.